Hello friends, welcome to my 30 range YouTube channel. In few days, I created Samsung Galaxy A03s top 10 tips and tricks video. Lot of friends are watching it now. They request me, please create another top 10 tips and tricks video. So this video is for you. If you are a new visitor on my YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can get a notification after publishing my future videos. Okay, if you are not yet watched my A03s tips and tricks video, you can watch it after this video link in description. Okay, now let's start our new tips and tricks. Let's learn how to pull down the notification bar using our display. Normally, we can swap our notification bar up to down like this. We want to swap our screen up to down in top area. But after we enable this feature, we can pull down the notification bar using our display like this. To enable this feature, go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to home screen option. Scroll down it little bit. You can see here, swipe down for notification panel option. Open the notification panel by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. You can enable this feature. After, when we swipe our display up to down in middle area, we can open the notification bar like this. I think this is very good feature to easily open our notification bar. Let's learn how to do multitasking, run two apps in one time. We can use two applications in one screen on Samsung Galaxy A03s mobile. Let's learn how to do this. Now I open some applications. After, press your recent key. Now this is my recent applications. After select your application you want to multitask. Now click on this ball icon on application top area. Click on this open in split screen view option. Okay, our first application is selected. Now you can select second application you want to use. I am opening settings. You can see now we can use two applications in one screen. This is very good feature to do our works easily. In this method, you can do multitasking on Samsung Galaxy A03s mobile. Let's learn how to use application as pop-up view. We can use any applications on a small window. Let's learn how to do this. Now I open some applications. Okay, after press your recent key, now select your applications you want to view on pop-up style. Click on this ball icon on your app top area. After, click on this open in pop-up view option. Now this application is on a small window. You can move it on your screen any area like this. If you like, you can minimize it. You can maximize. And if you want to change the capacity, you can change it like this. I think this is very good feature to do our works. Let's learn how to enable assistant menu icon. If we enable this icon, we can do lot of things on one icon. I will tell you the options after the enable. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to accessibility option. Click on interaction and dexterity option. You can see here assistant menu icon. You can enable this. Show a menu of easy to reach buttons that let you replace hotkeys, gestures and other common interactions. You can turn on this assistant menu. After you can view this icon. You can move it any area on your screen. This is the all options on this assistant menu icon. Recent key, home key, back button, screenshot, volume. Lot of features have on this one icon. So you can do your works easily. If you want to go into back on your screen, you can press this back button. You don't want to press your navigation bar buttons. I think this is very good feature to use your work easily. If you like this feature, you can enable it. Let's learn how to capture long screenshot. Normally we can take a screenshot by pressing volume down key and power key on same time. Now let's learn how to capture long screenshot without third-party applications. Now I open settings tab. In here we can capture a long screenshot. Now I press volume down key and power button. After you can see this screenshot toolbar on our mobile bottom area. You can see this arrow icon. Click on it. Now our screenshot is continually capturing. Okay, this is the end of this page. Now let's view our screenshot. Okay, this is our long screenshot. In this method, you can capture long screenshot without third-party applications. Let's learn how to change navigation bar buttons. You can see your mobile navigation bar buttons on bottom area, recent key button, home button and back button. This is the mobile default style. We can change this button's position or we can hide these buttons. Let's learn how to do this. Go to your mobile settings and go to display option. You can see here navigation bar option. Click on it. Now this mobile I am using buttons type. We can change the button order. In second method we can enable it. If we enable this second method, our back button is come to left side and recent key is going to right side. If you want to hide these buttons, you can enable this swap gestures option. If we enable this swap gestures method, you can see the preview on here. Now I enable it. Okay, now our navigation bar are going to hidden. If you want to open the recent apps now, you can swap the screen bottom to middle like this. After you can view the recent apps. If you want to go to home screen, you can swap your screen bottom to up, not middle. If you want to go to back, you can swap the screen corner to middle like this. This gestures method have another option. You can click on this more options button. You can see here now already enabled swap from side and bottom option. If we enable this swap from button method, you can view the 3 marks on bottom area. If you want to open recent key, home key and go to back, you can swap the screen bottom to up like this. If you enable gestures method, I think swap from button method is very good. Let's learn how to enable one-handed mode. It means we can use a small screen on our mobile and we can do anything on our mobile using one hand without using two hands. Let's learn how to enable this mode. Go to your mobile settings. Go to advanced features option. You can see here one-handed mode. Click on it. You can enable this feature. Now one-handed mode has two methods, gestures method and button method. If we choose gestures method, we can enable this one-handed mode like this. We want to swap the screen middle to bottom area like this. You can see a preview here. Okay, in this method you can enable one-handed mode. We can move our screen like this. If you want to move the screen to left side, you can click on this arrow icon. If you want to exit on this one-handed mode, tap on the display on blank area. This is gestures method. We can enable this one-handed mode using button method. Now I enable this button method. If we enable this one-handed mode using button method, we want to double tap our home screen. After we can open this one-handed mode. You can see the one-handed mode easily opening. If you enable this one-handed mode, I recommend to use button method because it is very easy to enable this one-handed mode. If you like this feature, you can enable it. Let's learn how to use dual messenger apps on Samsung Galaxy A03s mobile. If you enable this dual messenger feature, you can use 2 Facebook accounts, 2 WhatsApp accounts, 2 Instagram, 2 Imo. You can use all messenger applications as dual mode. For example, if you enable 2 WhatsApp applications, you can use 2 WhatsApp accounts on your mobile. Let's learn how to enable this dual messenger option. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to advanced features option. You can see here dual messenger option. Sign into a second account in your favorite social apps. Click on it. You can view the available apps. Supported apps will appear here after you install them. For example, if you install WhatsApp application, you can view this app on this available apps section. Now I already installed Facebook application only. So if I want to create 2 Facebook accounts, click on this icon. After click on install and click on confirm. Now our dual messenger application is creating. Okay, now my mobile have two Facebook accounts. Now I come to home screen. You can see this is one Facebook application. This is another one. Now I can create two Facebook accounts on my Samsung Galaxy A03s mobile. In this method, if you want to enable two messenger applications like WhatsApp, Imo, Instagram, you can try this dual messenger feature. Let's learn how to pull down notification bar using Fingerprint. Normally we swipe our notification bar like this, but we can swipe our notification bar up to down using our fingerprint. Let's learn how to enable this feature. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to advanced features option. You can see here motions and gestures option. Click on it. You can see here finger sensor gesture option. Open and close the notification panel using the fingerprint sensor. You can enable this feature. After, you can swipe your fingerprint up to down like this. Now our notification bar is opening. If you want to close this notification bar, you can swipe down to up like this. I think this is very good feature to use our work easily. Let's learn how to enable dark mode. Now this mobile has light mode. You can see the white background. We can convert this into dark mode and we can schedule a time to automatic enable dark mode. Let's learn how to do this. Go to your mobile settings and go to display option. Now this is light mode. We can click on this dark mode. Now our mobile background is going to dark. You can see our notification bar and all are going to dark mode. We can schedule a time to activate dark mode automatically. If you want to set a time, click on this dark mode settings option. After, click on this turn on as schedule option. In the second method, you can add a custom time. In first method, you can set it to automatically convert to dark mode, sunset to sunrise. If you enable this feature, you should want to turn on your mobile location. Now I set a custom time. If you like to set a custom time, you can enable this feature. You can click on custom schedule. After, you can set start time and end time. In this method, you can enable dark mode and you can set a custom time to activate dark mode automatically. I think this feature is very helpful to you. In this video, I had talked about Samsung Galaxy A03s, another top 10 tips and tricks. I think this video is very helpful to you. If you are using Samsung Galaxy A03s mobile or A series mobile, I think this video is very helpful to you. I already uploaded a video on Samsung Galaxy A03s top 10 tips and tricks video. You can watch that video on my channel. If you like this video, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can get a notification after publishing my future videos. I will upload more tips and tricks videos on Samsung Galaxy A03s mobile. So if you like, you can join with our channel. Add your likes and comments. Let's meet on our next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.